Well, Bernie, congratulations on being selected for the All-Stars team to face Juventus in August. How do you feel knowing that you'll be coming up against an opposition like that?
Oh, it's definitely very exciting and something I'm looking forward to, because you don't get the opportunity to play against world-class players like that all the time. And
obviously you'll be part of the A-League elite. That must make you pleased that you've made such an impression on the coach and on the supporters as well.
Yeah, definitely. It's something that's very exciting. To be part of the All-Stars is a great achievement for myself, and I'm looking forward to it.
And you'll be linking up, playing alongside the likes of Alessandro Del Piero, also Sasha and Ali Abbas, who've been selected from Sydney FC. It's good to have a good Sky Blue representation.
Yeah, definitely. To have other boys from the Sydney FC team is definitely going to make it a lot easier to get into camp and work together.
You'll have played against Alessandro last season when you played against Sydney, but now to play alongside him and train with him, how will that be?
Oh, it's definitely something that's very special. He's arguably one of the top 10 players in the world when he was playing at his top level. So to be able to train and play with him is something I'm really looking forward to.
Do you think you're going to learn a lot from this experience?
Yeah, I think so, because like the quality of the A-League players that I'll be playing with, and also playing against the opposition like Juventus, is something that, like I said, you don't get that to be able to do that every day, so something that's very exciting.
It's a good start to your Sydney FC career, I suppose. How have you settled in here?
Yeah, it's a good start, and I've settled in very well. All the boys are really good, and the coaching staff have got us going on the right track. We're working hard, and we've got a few games coming up, so it's all going ahead very well.